When you think about a mascot, it is important to understand. It should be spectacular for the audience and convenient for the animator. SCANDIC from the Carnival factory is a solution where these two tasks are completely closed. Unusual but well thought out design. The animator's eyes are in the area of the character's cap, which gives a good circular view and allows you to preserve the natural fit of the head. Lightweight, thoughtful details and reliable materials. All this makes SCANDIC a practical choice for active work. The set includes pants, a long sleeve, soft gloves and shoes with a rubberized sole that does not slip. Ventilation holes are located in the cap area, providing airflow. Production in Nizhny Novgorod, 3-stage quality control of OTK. Each suit is checked before shipment. SCANDIC is suitable for a variety of events, from children's parties to city festivals and animation programs. It is universal and easily fits into any concept. Production time, from 14 days when ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions. We ship all over Russia and to more than 160 countries around the world. To see other characters or get a calculation of the cost of your order, go to the contacts under the video. Call, write. We are in touch.